G'day YouTubers, how you going? My name's the Wilfred 007 from Wilfred's PC World at Lakeside Cottage in Locksport. What we have today is an unboxing for you from Duratech. It's a soldering station, 48 watt, temperature controlled soldering iron basically. I got this because an old one died. I've managed to get halfway done, first sleeving, and I want to be able to keep soldering it. Solder that together and do the sleeving. I'm a little bit disappointed with that there, so I don't know if I'll ever next one I'll do will be disconnecting here and just soldering it directly onto here, then having one wire going all the way across. Haven't made my mind up yet, but anyway, let's get back to this. And I wanted something good. I didn't want something that was going to basically last for about 5 minutes. And the company I bought, I went and saw on sale today, they recommend it. So this just gives you some basic information by the look of it. Care of the tip, working temperatures. Yeah, working temperature it's got there. So take this out. Move that box out of the way. I've still got to finish off the video I've got to make for. I'll do that today actually. I'll finish off the video I've got to make for the RSL too. And that comes off. So that's the unit itself. Like this because you've got the on-off switch there. That is brilliant. And the temperature controls here. Yep, that looks good. Happy with that. This the length for the lead. Yep, it's nice and it's quite solid lead, quite a thick lead. Happy, very happy so far. Now let's put it down. Okay, that's got to get some water or something onto that pad. And how does that join? Oh, yep. Let's see, clip into there and there. That just goes into that. See that clip? You can just push that in there. I think that should slide in. Ah. Okay. Oh, yep, it does. Very tight fit, but you can get it in there. Now, how does that supposed to go on? I think that there just sits into there like that. Look, you push that. Yep. Is that the right way around? Okay. And we'll to that. It's quite nice actually. Very, very nice because you can easily just pull everything down and put it back in the box. Oh. And plug. So in special way it goes in. I think it might go Oh yep, up the top you'll see a little notch, and that little notch there. So that goes into there like that. It's supposed to be like a not yet. That seems to be okay. And that's the tip for it. I'm not going to use it just yet. I will be doing a test on it later. Give everything a good proper test. But that's how she looks. Quite nice actually. Very much impressed with this one. Very much so. Let's try and get everything in the picture now. For the price, I'm hoping it's okay. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching. This is the Wolford 007 from Wolford's PC World at Lakeside Cottage in Locksport. You all have a nice day. I will give this a good test run. And we'll go from there. We'll do some soldering either tonight or tomorrow.